Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm going to solve weekly context 406 question number 2. Okay, so in this problem we have to delete the nodes from the linked list present in array. Okay, so in this problem you are given an array of integers nums, okay, and the head of a linked list. We have to return the head of the modified linked list after removing all the nodes from the linked list that have a value that exists in num. Okay, 1 2 3 is there, so we don't need this. Okay, we have to simply return 4 and 5. Okay, that's it. So 1 2 3 are there in my nums array, so I'm removing that and I'm returning just 4 and 5. Okay, so this is going to be my output. Okay, so this is another example. Nums1 value is 1 and head is like this. Okay, so we have to just remove all the nodes which have value equal to 1. Okay, so in the end I am just returning 2 2 and 2. Okay, that's it. So now how I'm going to solve this problem. Okay, so let's understand. So first thing is that let's create one set now, because it will be easy for me. I'm just going to check if my set contains this number, then I'm not going to include that node. Okay, so what I'm doing here, so first thing is that this is my nums array, so I'm just calculating the length of my nums array, and then I'm creating one set, okay, set of integers. Okay, and then I'm iterating over all the elements in my nums array one by one, and I'm adding all the elements of my nums array into one set. Okay, so in the set I have added all the elements. Okay, this is done. Then after that I am creating one dummy node, and in starting my dummy node is pointing to 0. Okay, so let's understand this example side by side. So initially this is my dummy node. Okay, dummy node, and okay, the dummy node's value is 0. Okay, and initially my current this CURR is pointing to dummy. Okay, so CURR is pointing to dummy, CURR. Okay, and then my list node current is pointing to the head of linked list. Okay, so my current is pointing to the head of linked list. So my cur, let's say this is my linked list now. 1, after 1 2 is there, after 2 3 is there, after 3 4 is there, after 4 5 is there, right? So my current is pointing at this position, CURRENT. Okay, current is pointed to this position. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, inside this while loop I'm checking while my current is not equal to null. So here my current, this value is not equal to null, right? So now I'm going to check if this value is there in my set. Yeah, in my set I have these values. In my set I have these values 1 2 and 3. So if it is there, okay, then I don't need to do anything. Okay, so if my set doesn't contain, then I need to do perform anything. Okay, otherwise I am simply moving my current to the next position. Okay, so now my current moves to next position because this value is there in my set. Okay, I reach at this position, this value is also there in my set. Okay, so I am just going to move next position. Now I reach at this position, my current is at this position. Now what is going to happen here, my set doesn't contain this 4 value, right? So I am just going to point, see here, my cur dot next is going to point to current. Okay, so this is my cur now, so cur dot next is going to point to this. Okay, so after 0 my cur dot next is pointing to 4, and this 4 will become my new cur. Okay, this cur is going to cur dot next. Okay, so 4 will become my new cur. Okay, and now my current is going to reach at this position again. Okay, current, CURRENT 1. Okay, current. Okay, so now this value is also not there in my set. So what I'm going to do, my cur dot next is going to point to this 5, and this will become my new cur, and then my current is going to move further. Current is going to current dot next. Okay, so now current value is equal to null, so I'm just going to exit. Okay, and here see my cur is at this position now. Then after that I am just going to point this to null. Okay, I am just going to end this linked list. Okay, my cur dot next is equal to null after completing this while loop, and in the end this is my dummy now. My dummy is starting from here, so in the end I am just returning dummy dot next part. So dummy dot next part, see I am returning, so that simply means 4 and 5. Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand this code, right? So this solution is accepted, right? So now I hope that you guys are able to understand this question number 2. Okay, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and yeah, meet you guys in the next video.